Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about the sun. This is teacher Mildred, and this is science, grade 5. Have you experienced waking up early because the sun shines through your window? Or in the afternoon, did you even notice that no sun shines through your window? Has the sun moved? Although the sun appears to move across the window, it doesn't really move. In fact, it is the Earth that moves. The sun appears to move across the sky during the day, but it doesn't move. The Earth moves around the sun. This movement around the sun is called revolution. Did you even wonder what the sun is? The sun is one of more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way, our galaxy. The sun was born about 4.6 billion years ago. Many scientists think that the sun and the rest of the solar system are formed from a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. If the sun was born for about 4.6 billion years ago, so what will happen to us once the sun dies? We should not worry. The sun has enough nuclear fuel to stay as much as it is now for another 5 billion years. After that, it will swell to become red giant, and eventually it will shed its outer layers and the remaining core will collapse to become a white dwarf. Slowly, after becoming a white dwarf, this will fade to enter its final phase as a dim, cool object, sometimes known as a black dwarf. And just like most other stars, the sun is made up mostly of hydrogen and followed by helium. Nearly all the remaining matter consists of seven other elements, namely oxygen, carbon, neon, nitrogen, magnesium, iron, and silicon. And not only that, the Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Here are other important facts about the Sun. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 5,778 Kelvin. The radius is approximately 696,340 kilometers. The mass is about 1.989 times 10 to the 30th power kilograms. Just imagine 30 zeros after the 1. And the age is for about 4.603 billion years. The distance to Earth is approximately 149.6 million kilometers. And that's the end of the lesson about the sun. Remember, the sun appears to move across the sky during the day, but the sun does not really move, but the earth moves.